beautiful peaches of the world. I have returned. Hello beautiful peaches of the world. I am back with a new concept for this channel. I am excited for this change because I am slowly finding my voice in this mess of creativity. I've been trying to do so much at once that I ended up making my channel feel jumbled up and all messy. With that being said, I do hope you enjoy the changes to come and this video. By now you're probably wondering, when is she going to talk about cool tone versus warm tone, because that is the title of this video. So let's just get into it. Before I get into explaining how to find out what your skin tone is, I want to explain what cool tone and warm tone and neutral tone actually mean. So if you are cool tone, that means your skin will have pink, red, or blue haze to it, and vice versa. If you are warm tone like me, that means your skin will have a peachy, yellow, or golden hue to it, or undertone. If your skin has a mixture of both, that means you are neutral tone, and you are hella lucky because everything will fit with you. Alright, cool, but that tells me nothing about my skin tone. That's okay. I've looked into it, and here are the ways that you can tell whether you are cool tone, warm tone, or neutral tone. Let's start with cool tone. Generally, if your skin is cool tone, the clothes that suit you the best are shades of green, sea green, blue, purple, or pink. However, our perspective of ourselves is quite skewed, so here are a few ways to check if you are cool tone. Look on the inside of your wrist, and if the veins appear more blue, then that means you are cool toned. Again, this might be skewed, so try to ask someone for a second opinion. If you wear silver jewelry and it actually makes you look like you're glowing and radiant, that means you are cool toned. Though this not might be entirely accurate, it can help narrow it down for you. So if your natural eye color is either blue, gray, or green, then you are cool tone. If your natural hair color is blonde, brown, or black, then you also may be cool tone. This one is a huge giveaway. Ask yourself, when you're out in the sun, do you tan or burn and turn pink first? If it burns and turns pink, you are cool toned. Lastly, if you're still unsure, go to a place with natural lighting and have a freshly washed face, so basically not what I have on now because you clearly see I have makeup on, and then hold a piece of white paper next to it. And if your face doesn't seem washed out, then that means you are cool toned. By now you probably have caught on that the opposite effect of everything I just listed probably means you are warm toned, but just in case you missed it, I will go over it again with you. If your veins appear more green, then that means you are warm toned. So mine is clearly more green, so I'm warm toned by definition. You wear gold tones and it makes you look more vibrant and radiant and glowing, you are warm toned. As you see, my eyes are naturally brown and my hair is naturally black. So generally, those that have brown, amber, or hazel eyes are warm toned, and those with strawberry blonde, red, brown, or black hair are also warm toned. If you tan easily or hardly ever get sunburned, this means that you are warm toned. So as I said, if you are cool toned, you won't look washed out next to the piece of paper, but if you are warm toned, you definitely look washed out next to it. By now you should have a general idea of what cool tone versus warm tone is. If you cannot determine what your skin tone is, you might be neutral. which means you are hella lucky because you'll look good in anything. But if you are pretty sure you're either or, then I will provide a link to a quick quiz down below for you to check out and try your own to determine what skin tone you are. Now, although these are just very general basic ideas on how to determine your skin tone, it is recommended for you to go to a professional that can actually determine what type of skin you are, because sometimes you might think you are warm toned and then you turn out to be cool toned and you're like shooketh. So I do recommend finding out what your tone is, because this will make you dress better suitable for your skin, and your makeup will be a lot more different. It will suit you better and you won't end up looking washed out, and you'll actually be more glowing and radiant. Anyways, I will end this video now. Remember to follow me on Instagram. Please thumbs it up if you enjoyed the video, and click to subscribe for more content. And I will see you next time, my lovely peaches.